Hi Karen. Okay, we are starting our audio chat session with the first question by Nona Nonasa. She wants to ask what was the special thing you experienced in Hong Kong during Life Mein Ek Baar shoot, and did you see it difficult you being a rock star, Rahul Sabrawal, or it's easy for you? Comment.
Hey Nona, I think Life Makeover was just a fun journey for me because as it is, I'm very excited in life with a lot of things, with adventure and everything. So yeah, it was good fun, and being a rock star comes very easy to me. I mean, you just have to act, right? So I'm a very simple person in real life, but जब मुझे ऐसे ओवर एक्टिंग करने का मौका मिलता है ना तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Next question comes by Tanisha Ligle. She wants to know what is the one thing you want to do Life Mein Ek Baar and you haven't done yet?
Tanisha, I think life itself is something that you get to do only once. So I am of the opinion that you live life in a way that you know that it's only going to happen once, and that's what I do. So I've done a lot of things in life, but I'm still living my life, and I will keep living it till the last breath of mine.
Another question by Himanshi Duseja. She wants to ask what was the funniest thing you experienced on the sets of Life Mein Ek Baar?
Hey Manshi, I think Life Mein Ek Baar was a completely fun show, and every day was a lot of fun, yeah. बट काफ़ी सारे ऐसे उसमें इंस्टेंसेस थे जो कि हिलेरियस थे. ऑब्वियसली तीन लड़कियों के साथ मैं ट्रैवल कर रहा था, एंड तीनों बहुत फनी टाइप की लड़कियाँ हैं. एंड द मोस्ट द फनीस्ट वुड बी यार व्हेन आई वुड सिट एंड गॉसिप विद दीज गर्ल्स बिकॉज 15 दिन में किसी मतलब अपने मेल फ्रेंड के साथ नहीं था. सो एट द एंड ऑफ द ट्रिप मुझे ऐसे लग रहा था कि मैं भी उनकी जैसा बन गया. दैट वाज प्रीटी फनी. I started talking like them by the end of the trip.
Sarah Bain wants to know what role would you never want to play?
Hi Sarah, the role that I would not want to play, my God. I think I've played all sorts of roles है, लेकिन as an actor I think I'm blessed कि मुझे roles मिल भी रहे हैं. एक art है हमें एक बख्श होती है भगवान से that we are artists and we are good at our fields. So we shouldn't be saying yes or no because as an artist you're always a beggar, and beggars are not choosers.
Next question is by Wakas Bakir. She wants to know do you think you have some qualities of Rahul Sabrawal? If yes, what are those qualities?
Hi Vakar. Well, the qualities of Rahul Sabha. See, I really believe that the character that we portray becomes a manifestation of our real self. So if they had written a character like that, they obviously want an actor to be to be fit rightly into that character. So I think they know my real character. I've worked with them for so long now. तो आई थिंक उन्होंने राहुल सब्बरवाल को मेरे को ध्यान में रखते हुए ही बनाया है. सो या.
Next question is by Norene Ben Othmil. How about working with Sanvi this time as a co-star in Ye Kahan Aa Gaye Hum?
Hey Norene, Sanvi is great. Yeah, she's very new right now, but she has a very cute face and she's nice and simple. She's a very good actress for the amount of experience she has, and she's sweet. So I think it'll be good fun. I've hardly shot with her because the story has just started. So let's see.
One is asked by Ashna Sen and Nagwa Nona. They want to know what you really think about love. Does it exist or it is just a fling? Do you believe in love?
Hi Ashna, hi Nagwa. Of course, there is love. I think my world itself revolves around a lot of love. Love for my parents, my sisters, my fans, my followers, my brothers. Love for the people that I work with. Love for my friends. Uh, it for me, my life only revolves because of love. The pure existence is because of love. Because I don't think I can survive without love. Of course, love is there. Flings are also there, but then there's also uh, with this I don't know what you mean when you say flings, but I really think that my life would be a complete disaster if there was nobody around me.
Next question is by Naima Afzal. Are PTKK stories all fiction or true love stories?
Hello Naeema ji. प्यार तूने क्या किया stories are based on real life stories. प्यार तूने क्या किया stories are supposed to be inspirational love stories. And love in any form can never be fiction. It's always an experience. It's always something that we look forward to. It's always.
Next question is by Ramesa Bhatt and Shumela Athar. Is Ye Kahan Aa Gaye Hum gonna be a long daily soap or of limited episodes?
Hey Ramesa, hey Shumela. You know what happens is that it all depends on the ratings every time. So for now, Ye Kahan Ge Hum is poised to be a proper daily soap. But then it all is in your hands, whether to make it a short one or a long one. I am signed for a year, so let's see what happens.
Next question is by Shatakshi Purari. She's asked a really logical question. Okay. She says, I loved watching your love mentor Avatar in Pyar Tune Kya Kiya. Dear love mentor, don't you think that there is a lack of liberty for Indian youth to choose his or her career and love life, especially the youth coming from orthodox societies? They not only have to face opposition from their society but also from their parents and family. Any suggestions or solutions you'd like to provide them?
Hi Shitrakshi. Unfortunately or fortunately, we live in a society where our parents are very close to us. They are with us every step of our life, which could be a difference in culture between our culture and the Western culture or whatever. In a way, it's a really beautiful thing that our families are really close knit families, and in a way, it can be a very harmful thing because then they are too scared, they're too worried about what we are doing and our future. Also, what I think is there's a generation gap that right now in 2015, India is shining, the GDPs are increasing, the future is more secure than what it used to be in probably the 90s or the 80s or before that. Now, our parents, unfortunately, belong to that era, which in we they used to save up for the future. They used to be worried about the future, so they used to go up. They used to select careers which would be a sure short career, like a government job, कि लगी रहेगी job उसका क्या कभी जाएगी नहीं, or like they would want you to become doctors or engineers. यार उन जमाने में बोलते थे यार एक्टर बनने का पागल है, ये कोई काम है, कोई फ्यूचर नहीं है, कोई वो नहीं है. बट कॉर्पोरेट्स के आने की वजह से एक्टर्स की लाइन भी बहुत सिक्योर हो गई है. सेम इज द केस विद आर्टिस्ट्स, आरजेस, dancers and all of that. So I think these days, yes, there's a lot of opposition that comes in from the parents, but I think एक confidence अपने अंदर होना चाहिए, that you can convince, be that strong that you can convince your parents. लव लाइफ को लेके भी यार, क्योंकि हमारे पेरेंट्स ने इतनी दुनिया देखी होती है कि उनको ज़्यादा पता होता है. आफ्टर एवरी ब्रेकअप यू रियलाइज़ कि यार काफ़ी कुछ बदल गया है. So I think because they've seen a lot more than what we've seen is again the same thing. They're really worried about us. But if you're confident about your partner, and then if you really think that you should be with your partner, explain to your parents that your happiness is with this partner, your happiness is with this career, and yeah, they will obviously support you because they at the end of the day they only want the best for you.
Okay, guys, that's all for the first part of the audio chat session. Stay tuned for the next part. Till then, keep loving our rock star Karan Kundra.